Replacing your Honda key fob battery can sometimes lead to it not working. This is often due to synchronization loss or corroded contacts. First, try resynchronizing the fob by cycling the ignition or pressing lock-unlock buttons together for 5 to 10 seconds near the vehicle. If that doesn't work, the issue is likely contact corrosion. Open the fob, avoiding metal tools. Clean the battery contacts with 90% isopropyl alcohol, and then reattempt the resync. Combining cleaning and resync has an 80% success rate, according to community surveys. Remember to disconnect the vehicle's battery to prevent accidental locking during troubleshooting. If cleaning and resyncing don't work, the contact spring might be faulty, especially in models like the 2021 Civic Si. Carefully disassemble the fob, lightly sand corroded areas with fine grit sandpaper, and reassemble. If issues persist or you have a smart key, e.g. in 2022 Plus Pilot, dealer-level tools might be needed for ECU integration. According to iSeeCar's data, key fobs fail in 12% of Hondas within 5 years, with battery-related issues at 7%. If DIY methods fail, seek professional diagnosis to prevent potential ECU damage. Dealership repairs typically cost $50 to $150, while replacements can average around $200.